back! Foul beast! Oh! We both died simultaneously!
That's funny.
You gotta press a button. So, wait, do you remember any of the controls?
I remember some of the controls, but not many.
Ah! You're not- Oh my gosh! Ah!
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
This is- oh, okay, I'm dead. Maybe we should choose a, different location? Or
Yeah,
maybe... Where should we go?
How do I pick up a spear again?
Square.
Square, okay. Oh, I got a fancy looking spear. What is this thing?
Oh, that's not a spirit, that's a, firecracker, or a... You're dead. Very much dead.
Very much so dead.
Hey, back away!
I'm just gonna let you do the fighting, and I'm just gonna try to stay alive.
So
I'm assuming this is more or less who can stay alive the longest?
I guess, yeah, for now.
Oh,
I don't know how I didn't just die there.
oh god, I'm dead.
Bro, why does this one look so sad? Look at this. Did you see his eyes?
Oh yeah, the blue eye, it looks so sad.
No, the yellow one.
Oh, the yellow
Look at the
one.
yellow one.
Oh, he has two eyes, you know, that guy looks so depressed.
Hey! Back away!
How do I
That's my friend! Ah! I'm dead too. You gotta press button. Maybe I should give us some more spawn locations.
Yeah, maybe. Oh god. I got one tapped. And you got one tapped.
That's it. Now we can spawn most places.
Where am I?
You're on the right.
Okay, there.
What? He turned around frame one!
Oh god. How am I alive?
Not anymore.
Okay, I got a pretty decent spawn.
Honestly, I think this would genuinely be... Okay.
That was pretty funny.
Okay, maybe we should get it off of Joe. Okay. Maybe I should get a little bit less scavengers and make more variety enemies.
Wait, what? Oh, I'm up here. Okay.
Oh, okay. I'm very much...
How do I throw a spear?
Circle.
Circle, okay.
Oh, do you not know that?
No,
I should have told that to you. I should have told... No, I'm saying, like, I should have told you. Not... I'm not saying that to, like, make fun of you. I'm saying that, like, oh, I should have told you how to do that.
Can I do wield?
No. You cannot. Oh, you threw a spear at the friggin' thing. Oh. Did you see the thing slowing your fall?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm dead.
This is really fun because it's like I really had like
That was a big explosion. That was big. I already said that. Hey, no spears at me. No.
I'm just gonna mind my own business. Hopefully not.
Okay. Yeah. So for the YouTube, this is how you can see that I'm not actually that good at the game. I just get in the final takes and stuff.
Okay.
I won with 1 point! I am so clearly skilled at the game. It's over, it's over, Red! I have the high ground!
Oh god.
I love you like a brother, Om Nom! Oh no. I loved you like a brother! I hate you!
I have the high ground.
He's got a bomb! He's got a bomb. You... Oof! Dang, bro! Every time I have my voice in a video, I get worried that I hope that this does well. I hope it's not just the fact that we're doing voice, that the last video that we did together did poorly. I'm hoping that that's just because Stranded Deep and not because, oh yeah, 2-player. Because this actually I think would be a... Okay, maybe new variety. We take out a scavenger or two.
Maybe we get some extra weapons.
We could have more than 2 people, actually. Like, we 100%... If somebody else were to join us, that would completely be, like... But now, it's more interesting. You're alive oh, never mind. Hey! My bomb! I mean,
So I am a corpse. Oh, is it gonna eat me alive?
You're not alive.
Eat my corpse, I guess.
I really hope that...
I have the high ground, nom.
Ah! It's over. I have the high ground. I loved you like a brother. You were supposed to bring balance to the Force. You were supposed to bring balance to the...
Rain.
The rain. Yeah! You were supposed to bring balance to the rain, not consume it! Bro, just let me slide spear him. Honestly, lizards are, in my opinion, the easiest enemies, just because scavengers are harder because they actually throw spears, whereas, like, lizards are slightly pushovers. If you hold... Oh, here's a tip, Red, I almost called you by your real name. If you jump from a high distance and hit the ground, hold down and the direction and you'll go into a roll.
Okay, well, hopefully...
How are they not? Why are they not throwing spears at you? Dude! Okay, dude, that was a bomb he had in his hand. Okay, wait, try the rolling thing.
Wait, how do you do it again?
Okay, jump to the ground and hold down and left or something. Down and right or something.
Oh, I got another one!
Okay, now fall, when you hit the ground, be holding, like, left and...
Oh my god.
Why is... This is... dude, there's a bomb over to your right. You see that red thing on the ground?
Yeah, I'm assuming I pick it up like I would a spear.
Yeah, do not throw it though. Red, you're a genius. Clearly a prodigy of his time.
That totally prodigy child. Oh,
I am the prodigal son! That's actually not a good thing necessarily, but it just... Okay. Okay! You are not to eat me! I refuse to be eaten. Hey. Hey.
Okay, to be honest, I think
oh, dang it.
I was gonna say, I like playing this on full screen instead of on my phone.
Oh yeah, because you did... Right, I forgot that's what the first time you played it with me. You were playing, on the, Steam Remote Play.
Yeah.
For the YouTube. Just like, by the way, YouTube, I am sorry that I don't have more videos that are... Dude, he just stopped me mid-jump. I'm sorry that there are not so few downpour videos. There's only one. I can't edit it because it's interlaced video or something. I don't know. So I posted it anyways.
I have the high ground, Omnomican.
Omnomican. Wait, so does that mean you're Obi-Wan?
No, I'm a red one.
You're a Sith! So this is probably the only other way that I can think of to do co-op without, having to... Because I'm on... Here's an issue. I'm on Windows 7 right now, and, OBS does not support Windows 7. Yeah, you're dead.
I'm so dead.
No! Gosh dang it! Dude, you had 1 point and I had 22. Oh no! I really want to steal a bomb for them just for the funny.
The funnies.
Want to change maps soon for variety?
Sure.
How about next after? Okay, we'll do one more on this one, and then we'll switch the maps.
Yeah.
And you just and when you do it, just tell me what you think would be interesting to do one on. Like, just because I run out of ways to pay attention to it, so like I always have preferences, but I'm like, ah, dang, this one's really cool, but I've already done a video for it. So random is better.
Oh geez, this was like... Oh yeah, can we get whatever that gun item is?
Oh, we don't. Sorry. This is Downpour is not on PlayStation, so I can't do that.
Aww.
When it comes out, I probably will buy it, but
Can we get the explosive sphere?
sure. I tend not to put the explosives here because it feels really cheap if I use that in my videos. I think there's only 2 spawn locations here, actually. Dude, look at that centipede in the bottom. Oh my gosh! Okay, sorry, all of them are dead. The explosive spheres, I mean. Ah! 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 No! No, please! No! Ah! Oh. Okay. I guess I'm alive. No!
I'm not helping you.
Because I blew up the explosive spheres.
Oh! Oh! No! No!
Oh, I'm gonna die.
I guess I got karma in its own twisted sense.
He took my spears. He took my spears. Hey, Red Centipede, would you like to be friends? I don't.
No,
Hey, Red Centipede. You could fill in for Red. What's he doing?
I think it might be dead. What?
He's just tired.
Wait,
No, he's still alive. I'm getting points. Okay, he's just tired.
He's gonna eat you.
No, no, he's not gonna eat me. He's going to be an electrician. He's gonna give me, not CPR. No, no! Maybe we don't have the Red Centipede.
Yeah, maybe, but we'll go with it for now.
Here, let me take an explosive sphere. Take one, take one. You're holding a spear. No, no, no! No! I missed! Just take me. What? Why is he not doing anything? Just kill me!
Okay, we should leave that bit unedited.
Yeah, I know everything. Ah! Okay, come and get an explosive spear while you still can, dude.
I'm attempting to.
Okay, wait. There's actually a centipede right here. So I'm stuck. Oh.
Oh, dude, centipede dude is here.
Ah! Ah!
No, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. I wanna live. I don't wanna die, I wanna live.
Okay, okay. I have an explosive spear. So Red, how do you feel about your family?
Huh?
Your family, your Red Centipede, you have the same first name.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. You have too much to live for.
You see what I mean by explosive spears? Dude, you are just... Yo, I killed him! You see what I mean by, like, explosive spears are a little cheap, though?
Yeah.
They're too effective at killing things.
Oh wait, is it just us now?
Yep. You gotta go into a shelter.
I'm gonna let the centipede eat me alive.
Oh. Oh, this is the map that I got 200,000 views on!
Oh yeah, we should do this again.
Yeah! I got 200,000 views, by the way.
Where am I?
You're up. Yep.
Should I come
Hello,
down?
buddy!
I'm just gonna stay up here. Oh wait, I remember this map in the actual story campaign.
Ah!
Is it okay if I...
Ah! No! Ah! Bro, he's teasing! Jump to the left! Oh, dude! Spear! Oh no, I think you're dead. No! Help me, please, actually. I'm gonna... Oh, okay.
I'm staying right here where it can't reach me, hopefully.
Oh, no, it can reach you there. No! No! No!
No.
No! No! Oh.
Dive bomb.
Here, let's...
I swear this creature's not the brightest.
Really, though, it's,
Oh god!
yeah, not the brightest. Oh, no! What is he doing?
Leave me be! No, let me go!
Spider-pedes!
Oh god, they're so creepy looking, why?
Dude, it's so much worse. It's so much worse than you think. Hey guys! How you doing? Oh gosh, oh no!
Abandon the bomb!
Look at that! It's a spider-pede!
Oh god, what did they merge into one entity?
Pretty much! It is so terrifying! Die! Flashbang.
You kill them?
Oh yeah, no, they're dead.
Then where are the places we need to go to win?
Oh, we don't get any points for that.
Are they gonna be angry at us?
Oh yeah, always. Oh no! You might not live. Bro's got red demon eyes.
Oh god. I'm hidden, I'm safe.
No! No! No, please, no!
Oh god,
Stop!
no, I'm not safe anymore. I'm not safe anymore.
Bro, what did that happen to the drop wig? We just do things fast. No self-preservation.
Oh, I'm dead.
Like that. Yes. You get it now.
Wait, what if I just stay right where I am?
Do something. We don't like self-preservation in Rain World.
Okay, yeah, I guess you gotta...
It just happens so much faster when we don't... Okay! Okay. I'm fine with that. Sure.
I'm gonna cheese. Wait, what if I actually kill all of them?
I don't think you will. Threw it the wrong way.
self-preservation.
Oh. But we don't like self-preservation!
I saved myself.
In under a minute. Okay, can we maybe not let us spawn over there?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Though I do have to say I am more of a pink than red. But I guess whatever gets the point across is red. Or like it.
I didn't throw the spear for some reason.
What is happening?
We really do not need those flashbangs, but it's so much funnier.
What is even happening?
It's weird because there's two of them.
Oh, that's what they do. Oh God.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh, I hit his. Oh!
You're so dead right now.
Oh! I was so close to dying. Right there!
Wait, why can't I go into the thingamabob? It lit up.
Because you don't have enough points. I do.
Aww. But I'm just gonna go in there anyways.
No! No!
Kill him,
No!
minions! Kill him! Kill him, my minions! Kill him!
Kill me! Wait.
Oh my God, is he going for the self-preservation route? Is he going for the self-preservation route? Is he going for self-preservation over his dead comrade's corpse?
No! No, come on. Let me not self-preservate!
I think you've murdered all of them.
Watch this, guys!
I think they're all dead, dude.
What?
Oh, no.
How do I survive?
Well, I guess self-preservation overall.
Not anymore! Yo! Oh, look, that guy's got a bomb! That'd be so cool if I could get my hands on it. Bro. I'm alive? Why am I alive? Hey!
What is that music? What? Can you hear that music?
Yeah, yeah. That's the game.
Oh, cool. I didn't actually know it had built-in music.
Were you not hearing that the entire time?
No, it only recently started playing for me.
It was playing before, just different, I think. It actually even says every single song that it plays, it says in the corner. It says the name of it and stuff.
Oh, you're so dead. What if I go self-preservation again?
No! Alright. I think,
maybe-
everybody,
maybe
on
the
YouTube, we are going to end this recording soon. I'm letting you know because last time this happened, it was very abrupt.
After this round, maybe?
I guess, yeah. Well,
Like, it would be the 10th round, so that's kind of like an even number to round it off at.
I guess, yeah. So, like, you know,
Yeah. Oh, how
I
am
guess
I still alive?
we'll see you again sometime.
Let me commit
We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when. You can't hibernate. You don't have enough points.
What do you mean? Wait, are you still alive?
No, I'm dead. It's just that since I reached enough points.
I'm gonna take your corpse. I'm gonna take your corpse. We can go down together.
Alright, everybody. Goodbye.